Alright guys, today I've got a Whirlpool matching washer and dryer. It's an electric dryer. And I've got this guy full with a test load here, jeans and towels. It's filling up right now, but we're just going to let it go through a normal cycle. Let you hear it. Obviously you can see it fills up, let you see it drain. You'll get to hear the spin cycle. All that stuff as if you were standing here testing it out yourself. You know, I like to know that what I buy works, and when I get home, plug it in, everything's going to work good. So that's kind of the purpose of these videos here. Excuse me. The washer gets a 28-point inspection. The dryer gets a 22-point inspection. So go through, make sure everything's clean and everything works good. So we'll let this finish filling up. I'll let you listen to it agitate next, and then we'll move over to the dryer. Okay, now it's moved on to the agitation part, which is where this guy here moves. It can move freely one way and not back the other way. That's how you know it's working correctly. Then you can hear it agitating those clothes, which is how your clothes actually get clean. If you don't hear that noise, then it's not working like it's supposed to, and your clothes wouldn't actually be getting clean. So I get that question a lot. What's that noise? Especially if you're used to front loaders where they don't have the agitator. So that's what that is, and it's supposed to sound like that. Alright, we're moving on to the rinse cycle, so it's draining out that wash load water. You can hear it draining. Great, so we're going to let it finish up there and we'll come back to the final spin. Okay, and here we go into that final spin cycle. It is up to speed, spinning nice and fast. You can see it's nice and smooth. No weird noises or anything for that, like that. All things you'd want to check for. I'm going to lift the lid up. Now typically you wouldn't want to do that. There is a safety switch that'll shut it down. But I do it just to show you that it is indeed spinning nice and fast. And it'll start right back up. There you have it. That's pretty much it on this washer. So we'll let that finish spinning the water out of those clothes. We'll move them over to the dryer and you can take a look at that. Okay, now we're on to the electric dryer, and we've got those clothes loaded up in here. You can see it's a nice super capacity plus on both of these guys. So we'll go ahead and just set this to auto dry. Hit go. And as you can hear, it sounds great. Nice smooth operation. Then I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So my little temperature gun here, whatever my laser light shines on, it's going to give me the service temperature. It's kind of cold out here. So go ahead and shine this right inside the heating element tube there. You can see it's nice and hot. Heat comes out of that tube, is going to heat the inside of the dryer up anywhere from 95 up to 195, just depends on what you have it set at. So, and that all can be controlled right here. So even if we go to time dry, which is also high heat, just hit go. And it's good to go. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, have a great day. Thank you.